I am Mr. Ramakrishnan, Press Officer of Consulate of General of India in Munich. Today, I will take you through the process of the new online passport system which we have introduced, and this will be effective from 1st August 2020. So once you open the Consulate General of India Munich website, you see the web link cgimunich.gov.in. Once you open that, you come down to Consular Services. There's a drop-down menu. Choose the passport form, click on the passport form. Then you will be directed to another link, which you can see here, portal3.passportindia.gov.in. So it's your choice. Either you can go directly to this link, or you go through the CGI Munich website link. So once then you need to create a user login and registration. So you'll see here register to apply for passport service. It's very important to register first by creating this user login. So you press on this, a dialog box will open. The first will be Embassy Consulate. So if you are a resident of Bavaria and Baden-Württemberg, which Consulate General of India Munich looks after, so you need to select Germany and then Munich. Just press on this, and then of course it's everything is self-explanatory. Given name, surname, date of birth, email ID. Now it says that you want your login ID to be the same as email ID. That is your choice. Otherwise you have to create a login ID, password, confirm password, hint question, hint answer, enter the characters displayed, and then you press the register button. So you will get a registration confirmation on your email. So this is the message you will be getting. So you will see that list of instructions, before you proceed with your account activation. You need to read it very carefully, and then you go to this link below to activate your account. After reading all those instructions, once you press this, yes to proceed, and then the account activation will come where you enter your user ID. So once you register successfully, so you will get this message. Thank you for registering the Passport Seva for Indian Embassies portal. To activate your account, please click the link in the email sent to your email ID. The link will be active only till, so there's a certain date which has been given where it will be active. Registered and activated your account, you need to go to the user login, where you just enter the login ID, password, and then enter the characters displayed, and then login. So once you are logged in, you will come here and you'll see the desired services, which is for ordinary passport. Apply for ordinary passport, apply for PCC, police clearance certificate, apply for emergency certificate, surrender of Indian passport, identity certificate. So all the services are given. So you need to kind of, like, let's say you are going for this ordinary passport, renewal of passport, or applying for passport. So you need to press this. Okay, once you press this, and then of course things are all self-explanatory. Let's say if it is kind of an reissue of a passport, and then you just fill in all those details. These are all very self-explanatory details, so I will not go through this. So once you finish all this, you need to kind of, you can preview it and take a printout of the form, sign it. There are two ways of submitting the passport applications to the consulate. Either you come to the consulate and submit the application in person by paying the required fees along with the supporting documents. The second way, you can do it sitting at home. You can send it by post. But kindly note, when you send it by post, you need to kind of fill in, sign the application. All the supporting documents which are already listed in our website, it should be enclosed. And then you need to make the payment. The payment details are already given in our website. The bank details are already there in the website. Kindly make the payment, attach the slip or the proof of payment, and then only send it to the consulate. Because I am telling this because many of these applications are pending, because like only the applications are sent, the money is, the proof of payment is not there. So I would request you to all, kindly to adhere to the guidelines, and then send it across so that we can expedite the services and give the passports to you quickly. When you are coming to the consulate, because of this COVID, no, we have kind of limited the people of who can come to the consulate, because we need to kind of practice the social distance rules. So what we have done to kind of help you is to we have created an appointment system on the website, where you go to the website. So again, you go to the cgimunich.gov.in, which is our website. So this dialog box will open here. So this is, you can just click here for an appointment. In case, you can also go through the counselor services, and the first you can see this is an appointment for counselor passport and OCI services. Press on this, and then these are all very self-explanatory fields. Request for appointment, and then you will be given an appointment schedule. I do hope that you find the video on the passport very useful. Please follow the guidelines correctly, fill in the applications correctly, and then submit it to us to help you serve better. Thank you and namaskar.